The CEO of BlackRock, Larry Fink, said on national television last night that Bitcoin is digitized gold. That the institutions have arrived there can no longer be any doubt. BlackRock is the biggest asset management company in the world, with more than $9 trillion in assets under management. Larry Fink, the CEO of this company, was interviewed on Fox Business News last night and gave no doubt at all as to his view that Bitcoin was an international asset and that it was digitizing gold. This is a 180-degree turnaround from someone who back in 2017 said that Bitcoin was an index of money laundering. Whether he said this through ignorance or by design, we shall probably never know. But Fink appears to now have full conviction in the #1 cryptocurrency. BlackRock knows the game. The Fox Business News interviewer referred to the 575/1 batting average of BlackRock when it comes to getting its ETFs accepted by the regulators. With that kind of record, it might be imagined that BlackRock's filing for a spot Bitcoin ETF cannot be too far from a foregone conclusion. Fink's own words were that, "We work really closely with our regulators," and he went on to say that if the regulators found any particular issues, his company would work around that in order to get the filing approved one day. Bitcoin is an international asset. The BlackRock CEO said that his company was a believer in digitizing products and that he saw the future as tokenization of assets and securities, which would lead to a revolution in finance. Fink continued that his company wanted to democratize crypto and make it much cheaper for investors. He said that Bitcoin was something that could be held as a hedge against inflation, a hedge against the devaluation of any particular currency. He stated, "Let's be clear, Bitcoin is an international asset. It's not based on any one currency, and so it can represent an asset that people can play as an alternative." Bitcoin rises on the news. After a couple of days of red price action, Bitcoin is up 1% this morning and is looking strong. It can be expected that Fink's statements last night will be taken very seriously by the market. Some more positive price action can be expected, and with Bitcoin only just below the most important level of $31,000, the bull market is just beginning.